Right now, I want to show you how to use this pet mess tool for the Shark StainStriker. So it's one of the included tools that you get with this machine, and you can swap out your attachments super easy. So just push the button here on the top, and that will allow you to remove whatever attachment that you currently have on. And this attachment here is great for animal accidents. Think about nasty stuff that you don't want to get sucked up in through the hose of your machine and into the actual compartment or parts of the machine. So here I'm just going to demonstrate a fresh spill. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put our attachment on here, turn it on. You extract as normal through the little slots here on the head attachment here of the cleaner. And then, as you can see here, everything's been collected in this canister here. Now, all you have to do is give it a little bit of a turn here. Then you can open it up. It's got a nice wide opening here. You can dump everything out, rinse it out thoroughly. And then all you have to really clean really good is these two pieces right here, right? So you're not gonna have all that nasty stuff inside of your hose. The hose has ridges here. It's a great place for stuff to get caught. So you really don't want animal accidents and nasty stuff inside your machine, and that's what this tool is great for. Now, I have linked it in this video if you want to check it out. I also have tons of tutorials on how to use this machine. I suggest you check those videos out next if you want more information, but I just wanted to highlight how that tool works. Hopefully that was helpful.